I got this question in my YouTube comments this week, and I wanted to help answer. Here's the question. Can you do a video about starting out with your first few members? Isn't it embarrassing to only have a few members? Perception-wise, what if you only have one or two people as members and they are aware that they are the only ones? Should you hide your membership count at the beginning and not do group calls? I'd love your insight on this. This is a great question, Lisa. Thank you for asking. So, you're going to turn lemons into lemonade, and you're actually going to do a couple of things with this that are going to help you with your membership. So, let's say you start a free membership, which is what I suggest people do if they're beginners or they're just starting out with memberships in general. You're going to invite as many people as you can, one-on-one and on social and emails, on video. You're going to ask people in person. You're going to really go for it because you have this free gift you want to give out. But even then, only a couple of people may join in the first few days. So we're going to use that to your advantage. Think about this. Proximity is so valuable. And what I mean by that is that the closer someone is to you, the more time they have of yours, and the more attention you are able to give them, the more you can charge. Normally, this is something you would charge a lot of money to be able to do, is to have one-on-one time or very small group time with the person that you're interested in learning from. So you are that person. You are that person of influence, right? And you're not charging necessarily in this scenario. You're not charging the members for this ability. This is a perk that they get for being early movers, early adopters. So you're taking them behind the scenes in your launch. One way you can do this is by gating the time that it's going to launch. So instead of launching it right away, you say the launch date is this date and make that date 14 days from now, a month from now, the first day of the next month, whatever that is that you say it's launching officially on this date. But if you come in now, you get to watch me behind the scenes and help influence what the membership becomes. So I'm taking on a small group to help me do that. And when you say I'm taking on a small group or I'm taking on select members, when people come in and it's 1, 2, 3 people in the group, they understand why. And they feel very special and part of something very special and behind the scenes. Then, if you have more people join than just a couple, you show that people are really flocking to this. So either way, you're covered. Another thing you want to do with this special time where you only have a few people in your membership is you want to get their feedback early. Remember, you are building as you invite people. You're not going to have the entire membership filled out before you start inviting people to join. This is so that you can build it in a way that is valuable to the members. You don't want to spend days or even weeks recording, writing, thinking about a membership that nobody wants. Instead, you're going to have an overall theme. You're going to start bringing people in who you want to be your customers or who already are your customers. And you're going to have a little bit out on the table. It's like having a house party. You're going to have a little bit to nibble on. It's early in the day, a little bit to nibble on, and then the main pieces will come out later. So as you add a course, for instance, to the platform, or you add a live session or a workshop or a post, you're going to ask for feedback. You're going to say to those first few people, you are helping me build this. Is the course clear? Is there anything that you didn't understand from the course? Is there anything I should add for our new members? And they get to give you that feedback. You take that feedback and you decide, do I want to then add to make this more clear? Or they may say, it's really clear. I love this. What's the next step? And that gives you the clear signal that they're hungry for more and that the people who join after them probably will be too. Another thing you could do is you could make sure to tell the people who are joining your free membership early. You can say one day or a certain day, this is going to cost something every month. You're getting in for free and you get to lock in that no price forever, as long as you are an active member. So they come in for free And they know that at some point it's going to cost other people something else. So then again, you're not embarrassed. You're in fact giving away incredible value. You can also do this with a paid membership. If you have decided to do a paid membership because you already have an audience, but you're not exactly sure how many people will join at first, you can start it off at a smaller amount for those early adopters. And you can say, this is a work in progress. I'm giving a huge discount so you can come in, tinker around, and then we'll have a big debut on this other date where the price will go up to this other number. And you can really play with it. You don't even have to say what the other number will be. So that leaves you some flexibility and wiggle room to make decisions as you go. That's absolutely a great question, Lisa. And these are 3 ways that I've shared with you that it can help you. Just to recap, it can help you build out your content and the value of the membership. It can help your early adopters feel very special and feel like they are part of something that they've helped craft. And those early adopters can help seed the community for you so that when other adopters come in, they already see a thriving community and posts.